Right now, we're seeing a significant uptick in crypto sentiment with a score of plus 0.53, alongside a momentum of plus 1.30. This isn't just noise. It's a noticeable shift compared to the historical baseline, indicating a growing bullish sentiment that we haven't seen in a while. The API provides you with real-time sentiment data, including momentum and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the sentiment landscape. For instance, you can leverage this data to optimize your trading strategies, identifying when market sentiment might influence price movements. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together and turn insights into action.